Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this AirHug Ultra HD webcam. I got an extra webcam to connect up to my MacBook. Like if you know you got the MacBook, you got the camera up there. But also sometimes you want to, I want to be able to film the other direction or something like that. And so it's nice to have the camera. For me, I like to do it to point to videos till I can actually record on my thing and make videos of me opening boxes or whatnot. So I'm going to show you guys this here. This is it here. It says AirHug Ultra HD Webcam. We'll open it up. And this is the box. It comes with, I guess, some paper in here too. Just, I guess, the instructions for it. And, that's kind of it. And then here is the webcam. So let's give this thing a look. See how it is here. It looks like it's going to connect up with USB. So I'm going to need to get my USB adapter. Thankfully, I have one over here. I have a USB-C to USB adapter right here. And so let's see here. What do I want to do? Oh, wow. Okay, so let's connect this up and see how it works. It kind of comes with a little Velcro here. What's good for me also is I film a lot of like my 3D prints and things like that. I could stick this on my printer, having it facing towards the printer and have it sitting there filming that all day, or I can film whatever. Oh, it's got this nice little stand so you could aim it however you want. I could jam it into something and have it facing that direction or whatever. Or I can just snap it onto my laptop here and let's give this thing a try. So right now I've got it snapped onto here. I don't have it plugged in, so that might help. Sorry, I'm doing this on the couch, so it doesn't look spectacular. It's not the most stable of locations for it. Okay, so here we go. So I think I've got it plugged in and plugged in. So let's see if we connect up to it. Let me close my stuff. I have a lot of videos open here. Neil's been doing a lot of editing. Okay, so let's see. So I have this thing here, and I can say FaceTime HD camera. Let's see how do I change cameras? I haven't done this on a Mac before, so for me this is going to be new. But I think it's plugged in. I don't know how to know for sure. But let's see here if I can figure this out. I'm going to move that there. Just tell you what, I'm going to try to figure that out, and I'll be right back. Okay, after searching, I figured out how to change it. You go to, in a Mac, you go to video, and then I can choose the other camera. So I didn't install anything else. I didn't have anything. I mean, this is it. So now we're using the AirHug camera, which definitely has a better view, a better look. I'm going to show you guys it here. Let me aim it at the computer here, see if you guys can see what's going on. Sorry, it's too tight on the tripod. Okay, so now we've got it kind of aimed there. And you can see this is me on the AirHug camera. And then if I go to video, FaceTime camera is this one here. So it's definitely a clear, higher resolution video. So that's good. And so there, but it's still all me. I don't know if you can tell on that video, but what's good for me is I can do like this. So I can be videoing what's going on the other side of me or anything. You can aim it like this and see anything out there. So I can just be sitting there working here and having the camera facing the other way. So if I'm doing like an unboxing or something, I can be here doing it right there, wherever the camera is. There, this one, this way, there, doing what I need to do and still be able to see it in my screen there, which is what is important. So how cool is that? So I'm going to say this is a really nice little camera, and it's super convenient, super light, and it's got the little screw on the bottom there, so you could hook it up onto a tripod, which I do have a tripod too, so I may even hook it up onto that when I'm filming my laser engraver or whatever other stuff. So really cool, and the head moves a little bit, so you can twist it around once it's on. So I'm going to say this is really nice camera, and it's a really good quality, so very good. There it is, filming at itself. It's going to be like just an infinite one there, so super cool. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.